So I loosened up this one, and it's got the little expander in there. And I have one more to loosen up, and that one is on the mirror itself. And now it's pretty loose and ready to install. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And now you're going to find out what's up with Richard. And today we're going to look at the TerraTrike EVO, and I've had to do some checking on it. Alright, so this morning the first thing I did was put some air in the tires. I needed to inflate them. It had been about a little over 2 weeks. After inflating the tires, the next thing I did was go around the trike and tighten up all of the little nuts and bolts that I could find on it using an Allen key set here. And I did find a couple that were loose, one right here, and I tightened this up, which is part of the rear rack. But more importantly, I tightened this one up. That one was getting loose, and as you can see, it's tight now. This one fell off within the first 35 or 40 miles of riding, so I always double check this one. And nothing else was a problem on the trike. Thirdly, I just finished cleaning the and lubing the chain. I try to do that every 200 to 250 miles, and it was definitely due. View of the chain, it's pretty darn clean for having 1,200 miles on it. On the left side, I have a mirror. On the right side, I do not have a mirror. But that is today's little project, to add a mirror to the right side. Now the mirror that I'm going to put on the right side here is the same as what's on the left side. This is a Mirrycle Mirror, and it's already been put together, but it was put together to be put on the left side of a bicycle, so I'm going to have to do a little rearranging. Now the process I'm going to have to do is to cut off this little rubber end piece here and then pop off the little end cap. I'm not going to show that process because the last time I worked on the left side, it was a challenge getting that off. I think maybe I should change the blade. A little better. Step one is done. It's amazing how fast that came off once you know what the heck you're doing. I still have to pop off the end cap, and then we go put the mirror on. As you can see, there's a hole. There's the little end cap that came off. And now it's time to install the mirror. Alright, we have it on, but the only way to really test it out is to go out and give it a ride. Everything looks good. All I have to do now is final tightening.